The end of an era. Apple just killed the last Intel Air. It's officially over. Apple just hit the vintage switch on a very specific piece of history, the 2020 Intel MacBook Air. This wasn't just any laptop, it was the final stand of a decade-long partnership before Apple Silicon changed everything. But if you still have one in your backpack, should you be worried? Let's talk about the end of the Intel era. First, don't panic. Vintage doesn't mean your laptop is going to explode tomorrow. In Apple speak, vintage means it's been out of circulation for more than 5 years. Apple is basically saying, we'll try to fix it if we have the parts, but we aren't making new ones. 2 years from now, it becomes obsolete, and that's when the repair doors close for good. But for the 2020 Intel Air, this feels fast. Why? This specific MacBook Air was a bridge. It came out in early 2020, and it was a hero at the time because it finally killed the dreaded butterfly keyboard. It gave us the Magic Keyboard we love today. But then, 6 months later, the M1 chip arrived, and suddenly, the laptop people just spent $1,000 on felt like a dinosaur. It ran hot, the fans sounded like a jet engine, and the battery life was, well, Intel level. Declaring this model vintage is Apple's way of closing the book. We are now 100% an Apple Silicon company. Think about it. We went from chips that needed loud fans just to open 20 Chrome tabs, to the M3 Max, which can edit 8K video in a coffee shop without making a sound. The 2020 Intel Air was the peak of old Apple. The M1 was the start of new Apple. And today, that gap has never looked wider. So, if you're still rocking the 2020 Intel Air, I want to hear from you in the comments. How is your battery holding up? Are you feeling the lag? My advice, if you need a battery replacement, do it now while parts are still in the bins. But if you're looking for a sign to upgrade to an M2 or M3, this is it. The era of Intel is officially in the history books. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you remember the envelope reveal of the original Air, and subscribe for more tech history and updates. I'll see you in the next one.